Hi everyone, welcome to Biology 12. I'm your instructor, Chris Torrey, and what you're looking at right now is the homepage for the course on Moodle. And so for you to get there, if you go to My Okanagan and log into My Okanagan, then that should bring you to a dashboard of your courses that you are registered in, and this course should appear in that dashboard. And so you'll want to look for human anatomy and physiology, and it should have this listed there as well, Biology 12, Section 75, and the course number 1163. All right, so if you click on that, it's going to take you to what you see here. Just want to emphasize a few things for you to do over the course of the next couple of days, and that would be one is to go to this course materials section here, which is a little book. And if you click on that, you can see here the course materials, and this is the table of contents. I just want you to focus on this first page here, the course startup and handouts. So you can see over here the course outline. So if you click on that, it's just a PDF going through the entire course outline. I recommend that you read that thoroughly, and if you've got any questions, bring them to the first day of class. There's also a link on this first page to your online textbook. You'll notice that in the course outline, I've indicated both an online textbook as well as a hard copy textbook, and you'll definitely want to make sure you have both. And the rest of these are just some, the PLOs are the prescribed learning outcomes based on chapters that we'll cover throughout the course. And there's also a course syllabus here that will kind of give you a breakdown of an approximate day-to-day routine of as far as what material and content we'll cover. And for now, that's good enough. There's also a lab template here, which you can download as well and save, but we'll go through that a little bit later. So that's the first thing in terms of going through the course materials. All right, so that's the top icon on your course homepage. And the next thing that I'd like you to do is this H5P assignment number 1, which is just a little interactive assignment that will take you through an introduction to the course. If you click on that, it's a series of slideshows, or slides, sorry, and each slide will have something different for you to do. You do have to pay attention with some of the answers, fill in the blanks, capitalization or plural and that sort of thing. It is sensitive to that. But you can go back into the slideshow and do it over and over until you get 100%, which I highly recommend. All right. Those are the two first and foremost things to do. Go through the course materials, print off your course outline, read it, bring any questions to class. Secondly, finish your H5P assignment, number 1, Intro to Human Anatomy and Physiology. And then make sure you follow the instructions to register for your online textbook. Once you've registered for your online textbook, you'll have something like this that you access. And this is, if you look at this list down here, when you first bring up the link, you may be on the home page, which if you go to shared resources, that's where the textbook is, and you'll have this in front of you. Okay, so just down here on the left, shared resources. And then when you click on the textbook, the first page just kind of gives you an overview of all the chapters. What I would really recommend, again, over the next several days is just introduction to biology, and I would suggest reading just the first 3 sections on the scientific method. For some, this should be review, and I recommend going through and maybe making yourself a little glossary of terms, and that should cover everything to kind of get you rolling this first week, and we'll see everybody on the first day of classes. If you've got any questions over these next few days and you need help with anything, don't hesitate to send me an email, ctorrey@okanagan.bc.ca. Awesome. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoy your week and look forward to meeting you all and answering any questions you got. Cheers.